Ideo. Today's challenge is a peculiar one. We are given a list of only integers and we have to check for lowercase vowels. If there are any integers in the list that might be converted to a lowercase vowel, we have to do that. And in the end, we have to return the resulting array. Well, initially I didn't know what to do, but this is actually about Unicode characters, I found out. So when we search the letter U, for example, yeah, this one, you see that the letter U has a corresponding numeric value of 117. And take another vowel, for example, the Y, that one has a corresponding value of 105. To start off, I have collected a list of all the lowercase vowels and the corresponding numeric value in Unicode. And what we have to do is to put in the argument like this one in the function and to convert all the Unicode values to lowercase vowels if it is possible. And then it's a big question how to go about this. Well, what I at least propose is to use the enumerate function. The enumerate function is particularly suited to track, access, and modify values within a list. So for value Unicode underscore value in enumerate input colon, and then to define the conditions. If the Unicode value is equal to, with double equal sign, is 97, then we have to replace the value in the list with an A. And then we can copy this like this, paste it, another time, and then last time. Fill this in by hand. 101 should be equal to E. 105 should be I. 111 should be O. And 117 should be U. There we go. And in the end, we should return the list. There we go. Well, let's grab this and put it in the official interpreter. Test. Okay, that looks good. This works out, however, it's kind of a naive approach. What you can do as well is to use the baked-in CHR function. Let me explain. So when we print the Unicode value, in such a case, you see all the numeric values. But if you want to know what the corresponding letters are, you can use the CHR function. So print CHR Unicode values, and then you see all the letters. Apparently 100 equals D, but as you can see, 105 equals I, and that is a vowel we are looking for. 117 equals U, and so on and so forth. And what can you do with this knowledge? Well, use your imagination. We can use a condition here. If the lowercase value in A, E, I, O, U, colon, then we have to replace the value in the array with the corresponding lowercase value. There we go. Looks terrific. Let's test it out. And there you go.